Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move fast between recently used tab using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write quick tab, press enter. So this is link quick tab Chrome web store, so click on it. So this Chrome extension quick tab allow you to move quickly between recently used tab without requiring or use of mouse. So you can locate and switch between tab using list. Now click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension, and then you see quick tabs has been added to Chrome. Now close. Now on top you see Google Chrome extension icon, so click on it and then find here quick tab, pin it. Now on top you see icon 14 tabs open. Now click on it. If you want you can search from here, and then you see all tab we have, so you can switch between tab easily. We have multiple window screen open, so in this windows we have 4 tab, 5 tab. Now click on it. So this is another tab in another window screen. Now open, again click on icon and then you see recently closed tab also. If you want you can open it, so click on it. So you can open recently closed tab from here. Now click on another. Now you see we have 14 tabs open. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.